Alright, and that's got a variable speed pod on it. Why don't you bring the speed up and down? Okay. Alright, let's show that oscillation.
You can vary that too if you want.
Yeah, you can change the speed on that.
Yes.
We have the camera trained on that point, reading out up there. So
You gotta unlock
if we unclamp this, this gets freed up to rotate. You can see that moving up on your scale as you grind back and forth. There's your camera, which has an adjustable position. So that's clamped now.
Mm-hmm.
All right, then go ahead and bring the table in. Not working. All right, bring it back in. Okay. Another little guy. Okay. And then show the elevation and the. So that's bringing it up and down.
Mm-hmm.
Do that again. Okay. And then show the tilt of that spindle. And that's got a scale